Well, today is Thursday. I'm about 3 weeks, I guess, into loft flying these birds. Got them flying probably in the best group they've been in. They're all pretty much together. And they had some pretty good altitude a little while ago. I tried feeding them when I got home from work today. So that would have been about 3 in the afternoon. They got a little this morning before I left. I've normally been feeding them after I fly them in the evenings. I was hoping they'll fly longer tonight. Probably making you guys dizzy watching this. One little house, lonely house, lazy one today. But we'll see. Oh, there's another one with it. So we'll see how long they'll fly today. I'm still waiting for them to start routing. But anyways, that's today. Thanks.